Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to make a dipping sauce. It's a dipping paste maybe. Because Appa actually has a steamed free-range chicken here. Very beautiful. So I just steamed this for about 25 minutes. Yeah. After that, I'm going to make a paste to eat together with this. I'm not sure if this is a Cantonese paste, but oh well. Anyway, let's look at the ingredient here. I have approximately 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 1 stalk of chopped spring onion, few pieces of bird eye chili. Of course, if you don't take spicy, you can omit the bird eye chili. And this is few stalks of fresh coriander, including the roots, chopped also. You should be using a lot of this, yeah? Fresh coriander. And 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a bit of sesame oil, a bit of light soy sauce, a bit of my favorite Vietnamese fish sauce, a bit of salt, a bit of sugar. That's all. Yeah, very simple. Right, I'm going to give it a bit of oil. And I'm going to saute ginger and garlic first. Saute until it becomes really fragrant, so probably we will take a minute or two. We will come back shortly. This is a dipping sauce, so you can actually add a bit more oil. Yeah, I added a bit more oil just now. So once you see the garlic started to turn brownish, now you can actually put in the spring onion. Turn down the fire right now. And this is the fresh coriander. Take note, I already turned down the fire to low heat. Just once the garlic turns brownish, everything will turn brownish very fast. So turn down the fire, yeah? Now we just need a little bit of heat, that's all. Alright, now I can put in the chili padi. Oh, super fragrant. Okay, I'm going to off the heat right now. Let's add in the seasoning. Oyster sauce. A bit of light soy sauce. A bit of fish sauce. A bit of salt, some sugar, few drops of sesame oil. Whoops, a bit too much, but it's fine. Mix everything up, and it's basically done. This is going to be a very, very flavorful dipping paste. It will go very well with many things actually. Even if you just put it onto your rice, it will still taste really good. So we will be eating this together with the steamed free-range chicken later. I use ma cao ji today. Done. Alright, I hope you like my very simple video today. Very simple, but it's very flavorful. Do give it a try. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.